بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
So next example, we'll try to redistribute between the same EIGRP but different autonomous system numbers. Like you may come across a scenario where you have an EIGRP running here, probably inside the company ABC, and it is already running EIGRP with EIGRP 100, and you got another organization merged, and that is also running EIGRP. That's a good thing, but the problem is it is actually running a different autonomous system number. So which means if you go back to the EIGRP, if you remember, even though I'm running EIGRP, both the routers must be running the same process ID. You cannot mean same AS number. So the AS number has to match on both the sides. The same thing happens here. As this side, all the routes are running EIGRP 200, and by default, as this router is also running EIGRP, but it is running 200 on this side, 100 on this side, by default, there is no exchange of the routes. So if you see, the router is running EIGRP on both the sides, but the different autonomous system number. So that will also deny the route exchange. By default, there is no route exchange. But let's say you want to do the route exchange. Then again, the solution is the same redistribution we have to do. So on this router, which will be my autonomous system border router, will be configured with the redistribution. And then, of course, the thing is you don't need to specify the metric because both are same protocol. So the metric values, they understand each other. So the metric becomes optional. If you want, you can change the metric, but that becomes optional. Most of the time, we don't really want to change. So how we do this? So let me just quickly go back to my topology and verify the routing based on my previous lab. I assume that we already have an EIGRP running on the router 1 and the router 2. Only the thing is I was running OSPF between the router 2 and the router 3. I'm going to remove that. And I'm going to reconfigure. So if you see, I'm just trying to move on with this. So this is already configured in the previous lab. I'm not going to disturb that. And this part was running OSPF. So I need to remove the OSPF and reconfigure that particular part with EIGRP 200. So let's configure with a different AS number and advertise the 2 dot subnet on the WAN, and then advertise the 30 dot subnet on the LAN, and also the loopbacks I'm advertising here. And likewise on the router 2, I'm going to advertise 200, advertise the 2 dot subnet. So I'm expecting the router 2 and router 3 should form the neighborship. And if you say show IP route EIGRP, you can see on the router 2, I'm receiving the routes from the router 1. These are the routes from the router 1, as well as I'm receiving the routes from the router 3. But the difference is, if you go back on the router 1, both are EIGRP, but still, if I go back to the router 1, and if I try to verify the EIGRP routes, we don't see any EIGRP routes, or we don't see any of the routes are learned from the router 2 or the router 3 because they are running different AS number. So I want to exchange the prefixes. So we need to do redistribution here. So let's go back and do the redistribution. So redistribution has to be mutual. So either way, you need to go inside the 100 and redistribute 200. And then inside the 200, redistribute 100. Just reverse the things. No need of metric values. Now, once I do this, if I go back, so I just did this part. Inside the 100, redistribute 200, and inside the 200, redistribute 100. And if you go back and verify the routes, now if I go to router 1, if I say show IP route EIGRP, you can see the routes. Again, the same thing, whether the routes are learned through OSPF or RIP or even EIGRP from a different autonomous system number, you will see the routes will be seen as DEX, represents external routes. And the AD value will be 170. And the metric values, it takes automatically because it's running the same protocol. And likewise on the router 3 as well, if I say show IP route EIGRP, so I'm able to see those routes as external routes. And if you try to verify end-to-end reachability, we do have end-to-end reachability between the router 1 LAN and the router 3 LAN. So probably you may come across these kind of scenarios where you might be running different EIGRP instances or different EIGRP processes. They don't exchange the routes. And if you want to exchange between them, you have to do redistribution as well.